Afternoon, everybody. Got a load of skids over there we gotta take off. Already got the forks hooked up. I think there's 12 skids. 12 or 14, but I'm gonna get them all off. Not sure where I'm putting them yet, if I'm being honest, but you know, we'll figure that out as I go, I guess. Just let me talk to this guy. So are they all ours besides that front one and that back one?
Everything's all yours.
Okay, you got it. Also, it looks like we got a customer walking around. I might just tell him that there's some samples inside because I don't really want anyone walking around here while How you doing?
Good, yeah.
There's some samples inside if you'd like to look.
Yeah. Oh, is that inside too?
Yeah, if you go inside.
Go inside and look, right?
Yeah, everything's inside if you want to go check it out.
Can't be so much.
No worries. Last thing I want here is someone, you know, walking around. Trying to make sure that these are hooked up. Sometimes the pins don't go in, but they're looking pretty good. 2, 4, 6, 7. Yeah, so 14. All right. Awesome. Let's get to work. Guess we'll go back to front. I'll just put them over there for now. I can just feel how heavy these are. Holy cow. I mean, it is a basket of rocks. That one, I'm kind of scared to take out because that back end is kind of open. It seems kind of silly to put rocks in an open basket. But, you know, just get them off for now. It also doesn't help that these forks aren't even. Like, they're a little lopsided. So sometimes when you're trying to go in square, it really doesn't work out. And the forks are actually longer than the skid, so you also want to make sure you're not going all the way in, because when you go to lift up, I'd break the back end of that skid. I've made that mistake way too many times. I mean, at the end of the day, these aren't the best skids anyway, so it's not that big of a deal, but if you can keep the mess to a minimum, it's always a plus. Like there, I just accidentally nipped the skid. Didn't break, but it brought the board up. feels heavy too. Here. Excuse me. I was originally gonna put the skids over there where that customer parked, but I'll do half of them now and do the other half later. I mean, assuming he leaves in time.
Too much weight to strip all one side at once.
Okay, I'll get the other side next. Okay, thanks. Honestly, that slipped my mind, so I'm glad he told me. Just gonna ask, so I feel like that big skid of rocks isn't ours. It's not usually the type of stone we get. But maybe they ordered something different. Hey Richard, you got a radio on?
Yeah, go ahead.
That big skid of rocks on the back, that's for us as well?
Moss rock there.
So that's a yes?
Yeah, I believe everything on there is ours.
10-4. Alrighty, let's try and not mess this up. Oh my god. I can just feel the weight of this one. Those are cool stones though. I think you said they're called moss rock. Never heard of them, but I'm sure it's some cool stuff. Door was bugging me. Just put them back here for now because I'm running out of space over there. I'm gonna move it all after, so it really doesn't matter where it goes. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna line them all up, and since the majority of them are for next year, because this is our spring order, I'm just gonna tarp them all for the winter time, so there's no damage to the bags and all that. Good.
Yeah, it's got a long enough reach. You can unload both sides from one side, you know.
Oh, I didn't know that. It's my first time unloading them off a huge truck like this, so
Yeah.
yeah.
No, it's got enough of a reach. You
Okay.
can offload everything from the other side there. You just got to reach across the deck.
Sweet.
Got lots of reach.
Okay, thanks.
No problem.
mean, yeah, he's right, but I just feel like it's easier. But I don't know. I've offloaded skids off of like pickup trucks and smaller flatbeds. But I mean, the only difference with this is size. What's this guy doing? He looks lost. I need this Guster to move so I can toss the bags there. Maybe I'll just put them on the pad over there. Looks like that guy's got concrete, so he's at the wrong yard. Davey over there is getting something from me. Maybe? Or he's heading to the other yard. Not sure. Alright, we'll try taking it off from this side. No, he's heading out. Yeah, same thing. But he was right. Man, it's not like crazy hot out, but I'm sweating a little bit in here because that sun beaming in. Let's get this one. space. Not really, but not really.
A quick one for you before you go to that one for 3:30. If you want to stop in when you get back, see if you can hear me.
Man, I know I have no reason to feel nervous when people watch because, you know, I do this all day, every day, but for some reason he's just standing there with the broom and it's like, oh, now I got eyes on me. Which is ironic as hell because I'm recording this and I'm gonna put it on YouTube. And it's like one pair of in real life eyes versus like thousands of people watching me online. It's just a perspective thing, I guess. It's different when you're actually here. The vast majority of the people who watch me online, I will probably never meet. So there we go, that's all. Actually went a lot faster than I thought it would, which is awesome, but now I'm challenged with finding a nice clean spot for all of this. I'll figure it out, maybe, today. But nice. So, I'm gonna scratch my head about where to put this stuff, and I will see you guys then.